Installing a solar energy system can be a great investment for both your wallet and the environment. However, common mistakes during the installation process can lead to inefficiency, costly repairs, and even damage to your property. In this video, we'll discuss the 5 major mistakes to avoid during solar installation to ensure you get the most out of your system. Let's get started and make your solar journey a success. Panels must be installed facing the correct direction and at the right tilt angle based on your location for maximum sunlight exposure. Incorrect positioning can significantly reduce energy production. Installing solar panels in shaded areas can drastically reduce their efficiency. Even partial shading can lead to significant energy loss and potential damage to the panels. Using incorrect wire sizes or failing to secure connections can lead to power loss. Loose or inadequate wiring can cause overheating, voltage drops, and even fire risks. 4. Incorrect charge controller connection and sizing. This is a critical aspect of solar panel installation that can make or break your system's efficiency and longevity. Never connect the charge controller to solar panels first. This common mistake can lead to serious issues. Doing so can damage the controller, rendering it useless and potentially causing costly repairs or replacements. Always connect the battery first, as the charge controller selects the battery voltage as its reference. This ensures the system operates correctly and safely. Additionally, ensure the charge controller's amperage rating is greater than the total current output of the solar panels. This precaution helps prevent overheating and potential failure, ensuring your solar power system runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. 5. Mismatched panel and system voltages. Using solar panels with voltages that don't match the inverter or battery bank can cause significant inefficiencies. When the voltages are not properly aligned, it can lead to energy losses, reduced performance, and even potential damage to critical system components. This mismatch can strain the inverter, causing it to work harder than necessary, and can also affect the lifespan of the battery bank. Ensuring that all components are compatible is crucial for optimal system performance and longevity. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes, you can ensure a successful solar installation that maximizes efficiency and longevity. Like and subscribe for more solar tips and DIY guides. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more tips on solar power and tech solutions.